Hello, my friend. Today I want to tell you a story. A story about a woman with a kind heart. A story about love, care, and giving. Her name was Anna. She lived in a busy city. Every morning she went to work. She walked past the same street. On that street, there was an old man. He sat on the ground. He looked tired. He looked hungry. Many people walked past him. Nobody stopped. Nobody looked. But Anna stopped. She smiled. She said, "Good morning, sir." She gave him bread. She gave him water. The old man smiled. He said, "Thank you." Anna's heart felt warm. The next day, she stopped again. She said, "How are you today?" She listened to him. She learned his story. He once had a family. He once had a job. But life became hard. Now he was alone. Anna felt sad. She wanted to help. So every day, she brought him food. Sometimes rice, sometimes soup, sometimes fruit. Always with love. One cold evening, it rained. The old man was shaking. He had no jacket. He was wet and cold. Anna took off her own coat. She gave it to him. She said, "Please stay warm." The man's eyes filled with tears. He whispered, "You are an angel." People began to notice. They saw Anna talking to the man. They saw her kindness. Slowly, others joined. One person brought tea. One person brought blankets. One person brought medicine. The old man was not alone anymore. Because one woman started with love. One heart changed many hearts. Later, the old man became stronger. He smiled more. He said, "Because of you, I believe in people again." Anna smiled too. She said, "Kindness is free. Love is free. We can all share it." This is the story of Anna. She was not rich. She was not famous. But she had love. She had a kind heart. Her love changed one man's life. Her love inspired many others. Remember, my friend, you don't need money to show love. You don't need power to show care. A smile can help. A word can help. A small action can change a life. So be kind, be gentle, be loving, and you will make the world better. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time. And remember, a kind heart is the most beautiful gift.